The star, Ace of Pentacles, and Ten of Cups. Sometime manifestations look like coming out from a grave, coming out from a situation or a place where you thought that this is the end and nothing gonna happen now. And when you give up on that exact moment, when you lose all of your hopes, aspirations, or you can say when you lose everything, even yourself, that is the exact moment where universe is like, okay, now it's time to shine, now it's time to bloom, now I'm serving you your manifestation, here it is, here's your platter. And that, in that exact moment, because you lost your old hopes, because you thought that things are not going to work out in your favor from now onwards, and this is more of like a situation or a feeling where you were thriving, you were so much hungry, okay, and you want the food, you were very thirsty, hungry, you want food, you want water, and nothing around you was feeling right, and there was so much, frozen desert, and you don't know what you're gonna do, and you thought you're gonna die in that situation, and boom, you accepted your fate, and boom, rain. It started pouring rain. Your thirst completely fade away. You drink that rain water straight up from the sky, and you're like, oh my god, thank you so much, God. And out of nowhere, there comes a person with such a beautiful platter full of food, right? And you felt very happy, and in that exact moment when you lost your faith, you lost your hope, you start crying from uh, you start crying, and those tears were not of the sadness, but for the gratefulness, you being very grateful to the universe, to the God, to the divine, to the angels, whatever you want to call it. And this is exactly what's happening in your current relationship or in your situation. If I'm not. See the star card here today. Basically, star card is one of the greatest card in the tarot deck ever, and this is one of my favorite card as well, because star represent the hope. Star represents the manifestation being coming true. Star represent the ultimate victory, fame, reputation. Star represent the you know this the superstar energy. But here in today's reading, in your reading, and while we are discussing about your particular person and your connection with your person, and by the thing that I told you, uh, I shared this story with you. What's gonna happen? How is it matter with this person or your current situation, your relationship? How it's gonna matter in this relationship thing? Is that the star is giving me the hope that you lost your hope from this connection. You thought this connection is not going to work out now, and you lost your hope. You were like, okay, I am done, I'm dusted, I'm tired, and I don't have strength to deal with this person, to deal with this connection. I'm just going to end this situation, blah blah blah. And you were in such a hopeless situation where you thought everything is just ended, it's so bizarre, it's so irritating, frustrating, everything, and boom, out of nowhere the star happened. star. The fog in the sky was there. There was so much smog, fog in the sky, and out of nowhere, it's shining like a rainbow, like your person is coming up with the. Okay, so let me tell you one thing, Ace of Pentacle. This, your particular person, okay, whoever this person is, now they are finally in a place where they are actually finding their hope through you. So whatever the thing that I told you till now, this is not for you. This is actually for your person. Okay, so your person was feeling that exact same thing, that exact your person was in that exact same situation, as I told you about the story that I told you. So your person was feeling hopeless. They were thinking like everything is ended, and out of nowhere there's some ray of hope has entered in their life, and this hope has entered through the money, through the pentacles situation, through the money, through the business, through the client. I don't know, this person has something has to do with money, or in your situation in your relationship, things that you are facing right now, or in your relationship, and the things you were facing previously also, this is all somewhere related to money. Because I feel like not only this person, even in your life as well, you guys are battling some, you guys are dealing with some money situation altogether. And for this person particularly, there is so much hardships, there are so much hurdles in their life, in their workplace. Might be they were dealing with lot of debt, like that. But I think some opportunity came in, okay, in their life, and that opportunity actually give them a ray of hope, where they are thinking of like, okay, fine, now I got my debts clear, or maybe I'm going to complete my debt. So now it's time to move to the next chapter, and that next chapter is relationship. And they literally want you in their life now. Seriously, the star, they want to build such a beautiful life with you. In fact, even in past also, there were some things that they hide from you on purpose, and those things were more of related to money situation. I don't know whether you know this or not, but yeah, things before, even in your life also, there was a cheating, there was a betrayal in your relationship, and that betrayal, that cheating, that deception, everything was happening due to the money situation. They were not exactly in a state of being where they can provide you financially. Okay, they can't provide you financially, that's why they were acting in such a way where they don't have to hold accountable themselves for their actions. So this is more of like, exactly, this is a childish behavior, no doubt. But now I feel like your person is gaining some mental clarity. Actually, not mental clarity. To be honest, they had this mental clarity before also, because all the deception things. See, if you look at this card very clearly, Five of Swords. If you look at this, sorry, Seven of Swords. If you look at this card, see, this is the person who is holding five swords, but he's still looking back to these two swords. So this is more of like, they were lying to you, they were betraying to you, they were cheating on you on purpose. There was some selfish motive behind, and they know that they are doing something bad with you, and they know about the repercussion also, but they were doing anyway, because they know that might be there is still two swords left. So these two swords represent the hope, maybe the chance, maybe in past you gave this person multiple chances, okay, and that is the exact reason that they in their head thought, um, might be if you are giving them so many chances in future also you will do the same. So they were doing this on purpose, and the reason behind, and you're gonna know this truth from their own mouth, and this truth is coming very 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 soon, within 1 week. Actually 1 week is, again I'm telling you, very long time. It's maybe within 4 to 5 days maximum. If we can stretch it, go up to 7 to 8 days, that's it. They are coming back to you. They are going to tell you exactly how they are feeling about you, okay. And when you're going to ask them, when you're going to counter them the questions, okay, so they now gonna tell you each and exactly thing that they were doing in the past, and they were going to reveal this truth to you. Now we have nine of wands, and this is your reaction to this situation. When they're going to reveal the truth, when they're going to tell you each and exactly what happened in the past and why they were acting the way they were doing, you somehow feel stuck in a situation again. Nine of wands. You will going to feel like, oh my god, now what am I gonna do? See, and why you are feeling stuck? The sun. See, let me tell you one thing very clearly. The reason behind you made up your mind to move on from this person or this connection, the reason behind this was very clear, and the reason was they were not paying attention, they were not being respectful, okay, and they were not being accountable of the things that they do, right? And you don't want this kind of partner for yourself, because you, on the other hand, you are a kind of person who always take things in their hand, no matter how hard it gets. You always take your responsibilities and you fulfill them. You are a kind of responsible person, but they are not, clearly. So you were very clear on this thing, that why you want to break up with them. But now, as they are revealing their true face, or maybe not face, it's basically as they are revealing their actions, that why they were doing this, and they are actually revealing their feelings also, which are very intense. Somewhere down, deep down, you also want this person, you also want this connection. This is just that, it's just that you made up your mind, you forced yourself so much hard, that you wanted to think, or you wanted to weigh that you don't want this connection, you don't want this person, because as I told you, in the past they did things that are not that were not right for you. But now, when they are revealing everything that they did, you are feeling stuck, because now you feel hope, a ray of hope, the sun. When this is so much a familiar situation, like they are also feeling a ray of hope at the same time, you also do. So this is more of like a similar situation, like similar feelings, different situation, or whatever you want to call it, right? So that is why you are feeling stuck. Like, if you think from the past person's perspective, you're like, I'm not gonna give them a chance now because again, once a cheater is always a cheater sort of thing. But still, your heart wants them. So let me know in the comment section what action you're gonna take it. I love you all.